Right after video transitions, we need to add our audio transitions. In the clips that I've put together, there are a couple places where the transition is very abrupt, and an audio transition can be helpful. Within the FX tab, you have your audio transitions folder. Under that, you have your crossfade, which is the only audio transitions option in Premiere Pro. And there are a few different options: constant gain, constant power, and exponential fade. What happens, and I'll just add one to the very beginning of this clip. Let's just add constant gain. Constant gain will increase the volume of your clip at the same rate from the beginning to the end of the transition.
Same year I was diagnosed, that summer.
So it's a consistent gain going from or to being able to be heard to all the way inaudible. Constant power is a little bit different because it increases the volume of a clip at a differing rate. It starts out very fast and then it slows into that fade. So it's a little bit hard to explain, but constant power and exponential fade basically do a very similar thing. Constant power is the main default transition and the one that I use for all of my transitions. So if I put it between two clips,
went viral with everyone,
you can see and hear that the second clip
went viral,
starts to come in right here, and the first clip fades out over here. We can increase or decrease the size of the audio transition by clicking in or out of the edge.
Everyone that I...
We can even copy and paste these transitions just like we did for the video by selecting it, pressing Command C or Control C if you're on a PC, selecting the video or the audio track where you want to add it, and pasting it, Command V or Control V.
Knew and their mama's baby.
So for a transition like this, we might want it to be very short.
I knew and their mom.
And then when you play through it, just nudging it to the right or to the left to see what it sounds like
I knew and their mom
will help you understand which part you need to add it to.
I knew and their mama's baby.
That sounds pretty good. Just like there was with the video transitions, there's a keyboard shortcut for adding audio transitions to a clip. Select that transition and then press Command-Shift-D, Control-Shift-D if you're on a PC. And that adds the constant power transition. That's how you add a audio transition to your timeline. Go ahead and do that to your own project right now, because I'm sure there are a lot of places where you might need an actual audio transition. And we'll see you in the next lesson.